So my husband got me this for my birthday, and this is just absolutely crazy. This is a 7-in-1 hand blender. I'm not even joking, the pressure is so crazy. You get this mixer right here, you get this, I want to say like food processor thing right here. That's the part that goes to that. You get a frother. I did not know this came with it, but you also get this and this food processor thing. Now, when he told me the price of this, I was a little bit shocked, but there's actually a crazy discount going on right now where you could get this for such a great price, guys. This is high quality. The speed is insane. The strength is insane. So if you guys want to get this for yourselves or gift it to your wives, I'll tag it down below. So my husband got me this for my birthday.